Hi, I'm Shinto Laza. I'm the founder and principal designer of Interiora. Today we are at one of our recently completed project which is in Prabhadevi. So we are going to take you for a walkthrough of this place. This office space is around 1000 square feet area and it has one reception cum waiting area, two sales cabins, two directors cabins, few workstations, one mid-sized meeting room, a small pantry and a washroom as well. You will notice a wide central passage running through the office. So this ensures seamless connectivity between different zones without interrupting the workflow. The circulation planning eliminates dead corners and allows natural movement between the departments. This reception area is designed with a bold architectural statement, a beautifully crafted cantilevered loft structure that instantly elevates the space. It enhances the perception of height and openness. The smooth, curved edges and seamless finish makes it feel light and floating, adding a sense of spaciousness rather than the compression. This linear workstation was designed according to the specific requirements of our clients to maximize the productivity. The extended side panels subtly defines the individual work zones, offering a visual separation. The design of the pantry area has been kept very minimal. The backsplash introduces a very subtle visual texture. The small-scale geometrical pattern adds character without overwhelming the neutral palette of the space. Every element of this director cabin have been carefully designed to bring elegance and comfort to the space. The form of this custom-made executive desk is clean, monolithic, and visually lightweight. The solid panel legs with smooth curved edges strike balance between strength and elegance. At first glance, this cabin feels calm and refined, defined by its clean white palette. But what truly elevates the design is the backdrop, a custom perforated sliding panel crafted in Korean. These panels subtly break the monotony of the plain white walls, introducing texture, rhythm, and depth. This smartly designed office is a reflection of thoughtful planning and purposeful detailing. Every texture, curve, and concealed elements work together to create a space that feels clean, efficient, and inspiring. Because grace design isn't just about how a space looks, it's about how intelligently it performs.